guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements with Amanda. And guys, today I will be doing for you a Christmas / kitty birthday basket. So here's some of the things that I have. Okay, you can see them. Some of the things that I have that I'll be adding to the basket. Alright guys, so you know I'll be starting with my tissue paper, of course. Add in the tissue paper. And with this particular basket, guys, I don't need a lot of height for this, but I do want a little leverage. I don't need that. Alright, the next thing, guys, we're going to do is I bought this ornament at the Dollar Tree. No, Dollar General. And I'll be adding that to the front of the basket just for decoration. I think that's really, really cute. Alright, so let me add this. Alright guys, so now that I have added this to her basket, I think that is gorgeous. Alright, I'll start adding in the items. And I have these two designer coloring books that I got at the Dollar Tree. Alright guys, now I bought her 3, which is Kun, one of my babies. I got her 3 journals. She loves to write, and I thought they were so cute. And I have one with her initials on the front. Just gonna add that in like that. Alright, I have markers. I have pens, colorful pens. And I think she will absolutely love. Alright guys, I bought this Christmas box. It's a hot cocoa Christmas box, and you can open it up. And what I'm going to add in this is the nugget peppermint. I'm going to add a little bit of these. And I am going to add the soft peppermint as well. So we got 2 types of peppermints that I'll be adding to this box. Okay. So we got the soft kind and we got the nugget. The nougat. The nougat kind. Okay. And there's a lot of other things you can add in this box, but I chose to add the candy. Okay. And we're going to add this in here. Now I am going to need more tissue paper. And this time, guys, I'm going to switch the tissue paper up. I think this is really, really cute. Peppermint. Oh. Okay, let me get a good look there. Alright guys, so before I add the box of candy to her basket, As you can see, it's opening a little. So I'm going to go ahead and close it up with some ribbon. Alright guys, so I added the ribbon to this. I didn't put it in a bow, I just kept it like this. I thought that was okay. I don't necessarily have to be in a bow, but I think that is pretty cute, and it held it closed. Alright, so this is our basket so far. Okay guys, so I got her a cute little kiss mirror, sparkly mirror to put in her purse. And some fingernail polish, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add this to the purse. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just going to add it to the little pouch or purse. We have a cute little Christmas pen and notepad. I'm going to add that there. Alright guys, and this right here, this is a reading highlights. And what this does, when you're reading a book, you just put it close to the paragraph that you're on and it'll highlight it here. Okay? It'll make it bigger for you. So I thought that was really cute for her. And, let's see, I think that's everything. Alright guys, so last but not least, for her cute little basket, I have her a nail grooming kit. I thought that was so cute for her to have. Pink for girls. Alright, so I'm going to put a ribbon around this, guys, and then I'm going to add it to her basket, okay? Alright, guys, so I have the bow wrapped around this, and I'm just going to add this to the basket like everything else. Guys, this basket is coming along really, really well. Okay. So, let's take a look at that. And I am going to add, the ribbon. Let me add the ribbon first. Alright guys, so I added my bows to the basket. Okay. And I glued a little ornament to the middle of the bow. And I thought that was really cute. So the very last thing I'm going to do, guys, my shredded paper. I'm just going to throw some shredded paper over it to make it more prettier. And people, that is pretty much it for my basket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know how you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until then, guys, take care.